Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to talk about Edge video. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Edge video. You can access it by going to edgevideo.com. Essentially is a web3 video network. Basically you can use Edge platform and you can search live streams while you are watching. It's almost like Google search where you can see who is live right now, and all you gotta do is search for people, press enter, and that personality shall instantly appear on your screens. We have a little graphic over here. You can see the live channels, you can see the number of views they have, the watch to earn hours, the WTE rewards, the WTE channel, and the engagement boost. This is the video player, which is very useful when it comes to increasing your sales and reducing the cost. It is also built with decentralized CDN, facial recognition, and watch to earn functionality. So viewers can also incentivize and actively train the Edge AI model. So over here I can click any of these logos to start the Edge player. So let's do Bloomberg television for example, and over here you can see the live streaming of that television. And let's say if I want to search Euro News for example, so I can just click watch Euronews live, and right now it is live streaming at the Euronews channel. So that's really cool stuff. You can actually search for whatever you want and it's gonna show up over here. Also it's very easy to use, very self-explanatory, so you can search for anything you want, search the channel, follow them on Twitter, and do a lot of fun stuff with it. Now they have something called facial recognition of personality. So faces are essentially this NFT with unique rule in the Edge ecosystem. So each face would represent a sort of personality that will be recognized in the live stream, and that would give holders out there the right to be paid in the $E token when the face or the NFT that they own is detected by the Edge player in any live stream out there. And essentially the more popular the personality is, the more chances you will have of getting money. And not just that, the Edge player would also show the each holders and how much they have earned in real time, along with the watch to earn ETH earned as of now. If you want to learn more about watching the NFT in a live stream demo video, you can click over here. You will be directed to their company page and you can learn more about it. And as of now, 350,000 plus personalities have been indexed, and they are updating the system with new indexes every single day. So that's really exciting stuff. Their token is ETH dollar, and as per the token, for publishers, they can buy the token on the market, they can add it to their own reserve pool, and from the reserve pool that they add, these tokens will be distributed to the viewers out there. However, for the viewers, they get rewarded simply for engaging in the live video, or tagging personalities, or owning an NFT and sharing the live video and the streaming live video on the network. If there is a higher engagement level, the tokens will be earned as well at a faster rate. And not just that, as a viewer, you can watch premium content, you can buy faces with the ETH token, and also you can simply connect it with your MetaMask wallet if you have one and start earning exciting rewards. Also, they have decentralized CDN, meaning their network can actually reduce 100 GB plus down to hundreds of MB that serves bandwidth. The network is pretty cool because it kind of self-heals, self-organizes itself, and every new viewer out there who is using the Edge player can scale the network by one node. And network scales exponentially by a simple integration for the CDNs. Over here is a little graphic that shows how the network is connected among the publisher and the viewer, so definitely worth checking out. In terms of their team members, we have Joey Ward, who is the CEO of the company. He has 33 years in media and technology. He's an entrepreneur. He's also a former network engineer and an Intel Capital portfolio CEO, and he's the top 300 IP strategist 2021 in the USA. He has raised over $100 million, 2 exits, and 1 IPO. So that's pretty impressive. We have Brian Wenzloff, who is a lead developer. He's a blockchain platform developer since 2017. He has impressive track record in Ethereum, NFT, and Solidity. We have Charles Myers, who is a computer science degree and advanced system engineer. He's an edge network engineer. He's the CTO of the company. We have Sam Bergstone, who is the IP and compliance officer. He has been an intellectual property lawyer since 2005. He has great expertise in patent law. You can also check them out over here on their LinkedIn to stay connected with them. So that's really good thing. You always want to know who is the team working behind a certain project, because that actually affects the credibility and the success of a certain crypto project. On the advisory team, we have Ralph Jacob, who was a member of Verizon. We have Richard Untrup, who was working at Disney. We have Alex Duca, who was working at Citibank. We have Sudhir Kupam, who was working at Intel, and Jeffrey Hazlett, who's working at C-Suite TV. So that's good. And as always, you can check out their LinkedIn profiles as well. So they have also partnered with Sprocade, ScaleSwap, Polygon, Bloomberg Television, Euronews, BizTV, and a lot of reputable business out there, which shows the credibility of this platform. Not just that, the Jellycy has also joined the Edge Video as their lead investor, which is pretty impressive. Jellycy is a business that has been involved in the cryptocurrency and the digital assets world, so it's really good for the company that more and more reputable investors are coming on board. One of the really cool thing about the Edge player is that you can add them to any website, smart TV, or mobile app out there. They also have push notifications, so you can use those notifications whenever a personality would appear on the live stream, making it simple and convenient. You can search for any live video streaming content on their platform. It's paywall and login free, and each viewer gets to expand the decentralized CDN as well. And you can buy a Faice-How or the NFT directly whenever a personality appears on your live stream. When it comes to Faice-How, how it works is that the Edge player would detect a personality for the first time, and it would create an NFT for that. Next step would be that the viewers are kind of offered to buy the Faice-How or the NFT of that personality on the player. And when the personality is detected, $ETH is paid, which brings passive earning. And also the $ETH and Faice-How token economy is kind of close between just the publishers and the viewers. So that's entirely how this ecosystem works. Here's the tokenomics of the company, which shows how the $ETH token will be bought in circulation. So 25% of that would be kept for sale, 25.6% would be kept for the team, approximately 10% would be distributed among the network, 9% would be kept for the project, 5.8% would be kept for liquidity, 3.8% would be kept for TV channel, 10.3% would be kept for the project as well, and 10.3% would be kept as an NFT reward. In terms of using those funds, 40.6% would be kept for engineering, 18.6% would be kept for business development, 14.9% would be kept for marketing, 22.2% would be kept for management, and 3.7% would be kept for SG%A. And in terms of roadmap, in 2019, the focus was on Edge decentralized CDN, and live streaming network technology was developed. In 2020, the focus was on Edge AI video player in focus, and coming up next, which we will know update about it soon, there was focus on creating the push notifications. The global advisory board was assembled. In 2021, the focus was on watch to earn ecosystem with $ETH token, which was assembled. 350,000 plus personalities have been added to the database, and 300 video channels contract have been made, and the first sites were made live. In 2022, the focus would be on omnibus watch to earn patent filing, live search patent, private investments, IDO and token launch. The mobile version of Earnify will be launched, AI scene recognition, watch to earn, tag to earn, and own to earn rewards, multiple exchange listing, and target 50 TV channels online. After 2022, the focus would be on encouraging the mass adoption of using Edge Chrome extension and their plugin. So that's really good, because this extension will allow to watch to earn every video content and also follow the public personalities. You can buy the NFT from platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and you can also get paid simply to watch YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, and Twitter Live. So that's revolutionary. There will be plugins for all the major video players out there, such as Shaka, JW Player, Bitmobbin, and Video.js. So quite an exciting stuff about what they are currently working on. And this is the Twitter page of Edge Video Player, and over here you can see they have a following of 12.7k people. They are currently working on launching the Edge activity token, which is the $ETH token, so quite an impressive stuff. So over here you can stay updated with them, get regular updates about the new stuff, and stay tuned with the project. So that's it. Overall, I feel that this project does have a potential to grow and scale in future, because it brings the idea of, you know, having like simply search a personality and their live video show up together with the NFT and the entire blockchain technology is quite innovative. So I'm really excited to see how they perform. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.